Where were we? G'day viewers, welcome to our brand new, freshly out of mothballs YouTube channel, Box of Chocolates. Let's go. So as I was saying, do yourself a favour and turn on the avoid highways option on your app, on your maps. Just let it take you where you want to go, because this place is effing spectacular. Get a load of that. We're going to ride through that. Thank you, Thailand, for having me. Thank you, Jan, for marrying me. We're going to cover heaps of things that maybe you, as a prospective visitor to Thailand, you might want to move here. We've just done it. We've moved here, and we're happy to share documentation, who we used to move, how we moved, how much it cost us to move, buying vehicles here in Thailand, how we went about that. And being a mechanic, I'm happy to share with you some top tips mechanically about the vehicles you may or may not be interested in buying. Nice sweeping corners. Don't nail it too hard. Anything, look at this guy, he's off the right side of the road on the straight bit of road. Go figure. Another old mate, yep. So leave yourself some room on these apexes, especially on blind corners.
Today I am Cam. Brin brin. Brin.
20 Cup viewers, I'm Jason.
Adika, today I am Cam.
And we are Box of Chocolates.
Ah,
Are we Box of Chocolates?
yes.
Why is a good life?
Good life. Good
What?
life, good wife.
Ah,
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 ah.
ah. At least you're wearing helmet.
Yep. But I have helmet. You have helmet.
Why don't Thai people wear helmets?
Lazy.
Lazy.
Easy word, lazy.
Lazy or crazy?
Lazy.
Okay. And what is the name of your shop?
Good day cafe.
What is it?
Good day cafe.
What is it?
Good day cafe.
G'day Cafe.
Yeah, good day cafe.
How much do you love your husband?
Oh, a lot.
Show the people how much you love me.
Million.
Million. Good girl.
The guy not enough.
How long we been together?
7 years, more than 7 years.
And how long we been married?
2 years, I think. 2 years.
So now we're going to dangerous spot. We have to be very careful here for fast moving cars.
Yeah.
Hang on, baby. Stop doing that, naughty girl. Now people see on the camera.
Oh, hello. Get a good girl.
Gam a good girl.
Yeah.
Gam is a good girl.
You like family?
Whose family?
My family.
Yes, they're very expensive, but I do love them. Do you think driving in Thailand is dangerous?
Yes,
Why?
because people drive like a crazy.
But do you think that's crazy, or do you think that's normal for Thailand?
Normal Thailand. It's
Yeah.
normal.
And what about when we come to traffic lights?
We look and look again.
Even if we've got green light?
People still pass because some people no stop. Car no stop, they pass red by few like this.
We slow down. If we have to stop, we can stop, Cup.
Yeah, we can keep they go first.
You playing with my nipple again?
Ah, that's it.
Automatic. It's me again. You can all go get tucked away in the helmet. Thanks for hanging around. Welcome. Box of chocolates, because you never know